Good morning viewers, I am Karambir Kaur from Lawrence International School Batala and I am working as TGT Science. So first of all, I would love to introduce myself by this slide. So here it is my introduction and my education is MSc B.Ed. So now onwards I would like to start with my session objective. In this today's section, we will learn how we can introduce the valency and what are the different methods by which we can learn what are the chemical formulas of different chemical compounds. So first of all, we will learn what is valency. So as you can see in this picture, it is represented by the handpick of the substance that we can hold into our hand. So how I can conclude the definition of valency, that it is defined as combining capacity of the different element, and on the basis of the valency we have three different categories for the element. First is monovalent ion, these will be having valency of 1. Second is divalent, as we know the word di it means 2. So any element which have valency of 2 is known as divalent, and the word tri represents the 3, so it will have the valency of 3, and at last we have tetravalent ions as well. Next, on the sum of valencies, valency can be compared as the hands of an atom. So in this picture, as you can see, if atoms have 2 hands, so it will pick up 2 different elements with itself. After that, what are the different methods, and I will like to show you the valency chart. So as you can see in this table, we have 2 categories for the ion. First is called as positive ion and second is called as negative ion. So first of all, you can see as lithium has charge of Li plus 1. It means its valency is 1. And in case of this negative radicals, you can see nitrite has charge of N3 negative. So its valency will be 3. So as a result, we can say any charge, whatever the number it is having at its charge, that will be the valency of that particular ion. After that, next we have to represent what are the different valencies of the element. So as you can see in this table, we have hydrogen, helium, lithium up to calcium for first 30 elements of our periodic table. So you can see valency of hydrogen is 1. After that, we can see magnesium has valency of 2. So this table represents the valency of the different elements. I hope you are getting me. We have different valency for the ions and we have different valency for the elements. In the next slide, I would like to introduce what are the different ways for writing the chemical formula. So first of all, as you can see, I have to make the formula of sodium chloride. So for that, what is the method? First of all, we have to write the symbol of particular element. So let us suppose its symbol is Na, and for chlorine I have to write Cl. What is the valency for sodium? It will be 1, and for chlorine it is also 1. So we have to multiply both of these. When N will get multiplied by 1, its formula will be Na, and when it get also multiplied by 1, so we obtain NaCl. And there is one more example. Let us suppose we have 2 elements as hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen has valency of 1, oxygen has valency of 2. And on their crisscross multiplication, we have to multiply H by 2, so it will be H2O. So this is the formula of water. By this method, we can have the different chemical formulas. And I would like to introduce one activity to you as well. So as you can see, I have different cards placed over this table. So first element, this is potassium having 1 arm. So this arm represents valency. In this element of oxygen, we have 2 arms, so it means its valency is 2. When I will combine this with 1 oxygen, it means its 1 arm is vacant, 1 arm is vacant, so I have to pick up another card. So that card will be hydrogen. So what formula I will obtain? It will be KOH, that is potassium hydroxide. Now I would like to call Eklur. Can you please come up and make one formula for me? First of all, you have to pick any random card from this. Yes, good.
So this is aluminium. This have valency on this, we get Al.
Good, very good. So
Thank
what
you,
is the
ma'am.
formula for the aluminium nitride? It will be Al, and we have satisfied their valencies as well. Next, Navdeep. Take this oxygen as NgOH2 will be the formula. So introduce. Now please come up. On this table you can display the formula.
Yes. So here I'm having magnesium, so it is having valency for 2. So we can join oxygen with it, and next to it we can join one more oxygen. And then to fulfill these valencies we can join hydrogen to it.
So yes, Navdeep, what formula you will obtain? It will be NgOH2. So when we will do this activity into our class, this was the crisscross method that we have already understood, and after that we can find the formula for the different elements by combining or by satisfying their valency. So this is how activity will help you to finding the different formulas. So thank you everyone.